Morning all of you. I Razia Patan from Pranmaji Vidyapith, standard 3rd. So students, now today we'll start divide the following by drawing. ड्राइंग के साथ हम डिवीजन कैसे करेंगे वो आज हम सीखेंगे. सो we'll start worksheet number 5th, page number 34. Okay, that worksheet will start divide by the drawing. ड्राइंग के साथ डिवीजन कैसे करेंगे वो पहले हम सीखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट we'll start the proper method. So first we'll start worksheet number 5th. Okay. Okay students, so here divide by drawing. So in that worksheet number 5, divide the following by drawing. So here first one question is 42 divide by 2. Now 42 divide by 2 करना है, but with the किसके साथ हमें डिवीजन करना है? with the drawing के साथ डिवीजन करेंगे. So here we have to write 42. Here we have to write divisor is 2. 42 divide by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So what we have to draw here? Here we have to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That 4 line we have to group in the different 2. Group number 1. This one is a group number 1 and second one is a group number 2. Now remain number is a 2. Remain number is a 2. 2 ones are 2. So here we have to draw 2 circle. That circle will divide in the one group. Got it? So this one is the first sum is completed. Now second one sum B1 sum, in that 51 divided by 3. 51 divided by 3. So what we have to do here? 51. Here we have to write 3. 51 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So we have to draw here 3 boxes. What we have to draw here? 3 lines we have to draw. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 and remain is how many are there? 2. So here we have to draw 2 line also. In a 3 we have to draw 1 box. We have to draw in a 1 box में हम इसको divide करेंगे and remain number 1 and 2 इसको cut करेंगे. ठीक है? Now 2 remain number is how many are there? 2 and 1. So next number is a 21. Next number is a 21. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So here we have to draw 21. Here we have to cut 2. Now we'll draw 21 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Now in this 21 circle we have to divide in the 3 groups. 3 के ग्रुप में हम क्या करेंगे? इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट वन 3 group, then second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one and seventh one. Got it? Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now C1 sum is 64 divided by 2. 64 divided by 2. So in that what we have to do? Here we have to write 64. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So what we have to do here? We have to write 6 line. Draw it. 1 2 1 2. In this 6 lines we have to groupism in the 2 के ग्रुप में हम इसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे. ठीक है, कंप्लीट. नाउ 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So we have to draw 4 circle here and that circle we have to divide in the 2 group. 2 के ग्रुप में इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. वाई हम लोग इसको 2 के ग्रुप में क्यों डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ यहाँ पे डिविजन है वो कौन सा है? 2 इज देयर. हाउ विच नंबर इज देयर? 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन नंबर इज अ D1 sum 45 divide by 3. 45 divide by 3. So in that we have to write here 45 divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. But here we have to draw 4 line 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in that 3 ones are 3. So 3 को हम 3 हम 1 ग्रुप में इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. रिमेन नंबर इज अ 1. So 1 and 5. 1 5 50. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. यहाँ से 1 को हम कट कर देंगे एंड हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 15 सर्कल. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 40 and 50. Now in this circle we have to divide in the 3 groups. So group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, group number 4 and group number 5. Because of the 3 5s are 50. Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now next one sum is 28 divided by 2 and F1 sum is a 56 divided by 4. So what we have to do? We have to draw here 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. This 2 we have to draw it out. 2 के ग्रुप में इसको हम डिवाइड कर दिया. 2 4s are 8. So here we have to draw 4 circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 2 के ग्रुप में इसको हम क्या करेंगे? सर्कल कर दे, ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है, गॉट इट. सो 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now next one is a 56. Next one is a 56 divided by 4. 56 divided by 4. So in that 4 ones are 4. Now here we have to draw 1 2 3 4 and 5 lines. How many lines we have to draw? 5 lines. इसको हम 4 के ग्रुप में डिवाइड करेंगे. Remain 1 is a 1. So 1 6 16. 1 6 16. We have to draw 4 4s are 16. So here we have to draw 16 line and cut 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, now in this we have to divide in the 4 groups. Group number 1, group number 2, group number 3 and group number 4. How many groups are here? 4. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now next one is G1 sum. So in that 72 divided by 6 and H1 sum is a 64 divided by 4. Okay, so in that here we have to write 72 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. So here we have to draw 6 line. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. In this 6 we have to group in a 1. Because 6 ones are 6. Next number is a 2. Next number is a 2. So 1 2 12. 1 2 12. 6 2s are 12. Here you cut 1. Draw 12 circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now what we have to draw? वी हैव टू डिवाइड इन द सिक्स के ग्रुप में हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो दिस वन इज अ ग्रुप नंबर 1 and second one is a group number 2. Second one is a group number 2. Next one sum is a 64 divided by 4. So in that here we have to write 64 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Here we have to write 4 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we'll divide in the one group. 4 के group में हम इसको divide करेंगे 1 2 3 and 4. So here 1 2 3 and 4. Here is a remain number is a 1 and 2. What that means 2 and 4 24. Next number is a 24. 4 6 are 24. 24 cut this line 2 lines, and here we have to draw 24 circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 20 21 22 23 24. In this 24 we have to divide in the four groups. Group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, group number 4, group number 5 and group number 6. So 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. हम लोगों ने डिवीजन किए. डिवीजन डिवाइड बाय ड्राइंग. ड्राइंग के साथ डिवीजन कैसे करते हैं वो हम लोगों ने किया है. ठीक है, वर्कशीट नंबर 5 है वो हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किए. बट योर होमवर्क इज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द वर्कशीट नंबर 6. वर्कशीट नंबर 6 जो है सेम लाइक दैट ही है. आप लोगों को ड्राइंग के साथ डिवीजन से वो करना है. सो दैट वन इज योर होमवर्क. एंड होमवर्क जो है वो बिफोर 3 o'clock आपको हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड करने हैं. एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 6 के जो आंसर्स है वो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दूंगी. सो यू हैव टू कॉपी इट आउट फॉर दैट. ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे.